Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to create boards on Pinterest. So let's get started. First thing first, open your Pinterest app and sign into your Pinterest account using your email address and password. Once you are logged in inside your Pinterest, and simply tap on your profile picture or your name at the bottom right corner of the Pinterest homepage, and this will take you to your profile page. Once on your profile page, simply tap on the plus icon available in the bottom and tap on the create board button. This is usually located toward the left side of the page under your existing boards. Tap on the boards. Now a pop-up window will appear where you need to fill in details for your new board. Now enter a descriptive name for your board. Here I am writing down the aesthetic just for an example. Now simply tap on the create option available. Now all you have to do is choose the pin you want to add on your board. Simply tap on the pin icon available on the image. You can see there is the pin icon available and this will be added on your board. So after you organize boards with their categories, you can simply go back and see and check if your board is looking fine or not. So you can see the board has been created. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.